Attach the 4 adjustable feet to the integrated fire pit table. Open the igniter cover and insert the AA battery, then securely tighten the cover. Evenly pour the glass stones around the burner, ensuring none are placed on the ignition area. Place the lid over the fire bowl when not in use. Attach the pre-assembled regulator from the integrated fire pit table to the cylinder valve outlet by turning the regulator coupling nut clockwise. Remove the lid before operating the burner. Press and hold the igniter cap. Then press and hold the ignition control knob. Push the ignition control knob fully in and turn anti-clockwise to low position. Release the igniter cap. Adjust the flame to the desired height with the ignition control knob. To shut down the burner, turn the control knob clockwise to the off position. After each use, wait until the unit cools before putting on the cover.